Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding onto some Ethereum and wondering how to turn it into actual cash in 2025, you're in the right place. Ethereum, or ETH, has been a game changer in the crypto world, but converting it to fiat currency like dollars or euros requires a smart, step-by-step approach. By 2025, regulations might have tightened a bit, so let's break this down clearly and safely. First things first, start by choosing a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken are popular choices, but make sure to pick one that's licensed and has strong security features. In 2025, look for exchanges that comply with new global standards for crypto transactions to avoid any headaches. Once you've selected your exchange, create an account if you haven't already. You'll need to verify your identity. Think of it as KYC, or Know Your Customer, which is mandatory now. This step helps protect against fraud, but it might take a day or two to get approved. Now, for the exciting part, depositing your ETH. Transfer your Ethereum from your wallet to your exchange account. Double-check the wallet address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto is irreversible, folks. Next, head to the trading section and sell your ETH. You can do this by placing a market order for immediate sale or limit order for a specific price. With the market's volatility, 2025 might bring more stable options, so keep an eye on current rates. After selling, withdraw your funds. Most exchanges allow you to transfer the cash directly to your bank account or even to a debit card for quicker access. Be mindful of withdrawal fees and any minimum limits, they can add up. Don't forget about taxes. In 2025, crypto taxation is more straightforward, so track your transactions and consult a financial advisor to stay compliant. Finally, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication, strong passwords, and never share your private keys. There you have it, a straightforward guide to converting ETH to cash. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.